Hello. So today, Romanticism, and specifically romantic poetry. Now, when we think of romantic these days, we think of romantic with a small r, stuff like candlelit dinners, flowers, wine, chocolates, all of that kind of thing. Romanticism with a capital R is a slightly different thing. We're talking about an artistic and literary movement from the early half of the 19th century, around about 1800 to 1850, though obviously those dates are a little bit fuzzy. And we're specifically thinking about emotion. Romantic poets felt emotions deeply, wanted to express those emotions in a big way. The cliched image we have of the romantic poet is somebody isolated, alone in nature. Nature is a big theme here, and feeling the emotions that big, broad expanses of nature make that person feel, and expressing them as naturally as possible. Key figures for this movement, we've got the poet and artist William Blake, slightly earlier than a lot of the other romantic poets. Then we've got William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge, who together published a book called The Lyrical Ballads, which kicked off a lot of what we think of as romantic poetry. And then we've got the kind of second generation, the late romantic poets, the rock and roll poets of Percy Bysshe Shelley, Lord Byron, and even later than them, John Keats.